MaggieFrame, ours have 5%, even some 5% more magnetic force. I mean, the force is stronger, 5% more stronger. We have testing with the power the shell tower because 1 layer too thin, so we do. This kind of thing, and here is the matching book, the blue one, and then we put more until which one failed first to see how strong, because this needs strong magnets. And also we do the drop testing. We throw from higher than this on the floor, and both don't break. This no break, the metal no break. And what interesting is we open and close to the embroidery. So after several times, maybe it's broken. It will not take last 50 years or 100 years. Anyway, one day it's the end of that circle. So we do the testing, the comparison. So we do like this. We cannot do as a t-shirt because this is too slow. Take maybe 1 month, maybe really hard. So we do extremely. We fix this on the table, just here, and we take this and then we do again, and we close open close open. We count how many times it works. This is to see which one is good. This is also, so we have my production. Currently we are still doing that. Yeah, and this one is also to fix this on the table. We drill, we use a screw to fix here, and we close. Same thing, and we do it, okay. And this we count. One guy here, and two we have a CCTV like that camera to make a video, to record. And this is always on the video. In the video, nobody took away and broke it and then put it back, and no. Just to make it really true. To make it true. And this one already have the results. And this hot dots 1, 9, 4, 9. Because we are doing, and this is already broken. Here, the magnet's out and broken. So this can be 1,949. So every 100, we have a wall and record 100. And plus and into and 100 and yeah. And then this one, until now, it's more than 50,000 times. 50,000. Let's see when we close it. Very easy. This is safe. This way.
Your model looks better.
Sorry?
Your model looks better.
Yeah. And more quality.
Yeah, it feels like a book.
Yeah.
And I didn't find this one.
This is more expensive. This is price lower. And maybe you use 2 years. This because this is 1,949 times broken, and this is more than 50,000 because the testing ways is always be tested. But this is extreme testing because we don't do like this. We have fabric for some protection. But still we can, because this is same testing condition, situation condition, so we still can tell the difference with the comparison. So we need a way to compare this to tell the customers, okay, what is this, what is this?